Do you want to clear the upcoming FMG December 2023 exam? If yes, friends, you are at the right place. Hello, I am your very own Dr. Vivek Jain, faculty of PSM with Cerebellum Academy. Friends, I am going to discuss a strategy on how to successfully clear the upcoming FMG December 2023 exam using a very specific, very targeted, well structured course just for you. FMG Mission 200 Plus, a course by Cerebellum Academy. Friends, remember this course is commencing on the app right from 10th of August 2023 onwards. Now friends, first of all, who should enroll for this course? Remember, this is a one-stop junction for all of you. All of you means if you are a first attempter, definitely yes. If you are a repeat attempter, then also definitely yes. It will not matter whether you belong to platform A, B or C, or whether you belong to a particular institute X, Y or Z. It also won't matter at all whether you are in a different phase of preparation as compared to your colleagues. Friends, this is a comprehensive course designed to make you strong for the upcoming exam. Friends, one of the key features of this course is live lectures for all the 19 subjects. We are going to have 4 to 5 hours of daily evening live sessions in the app subject wise. Friends, we are not going to miss even a single subject in this course. You know, I know. Each and every mark counts in the final FMG exam result. There are no shortcuts to success. So we will make sure your course is completed on time. And our team is quite experienced and most reputed, most respected and best suited to teach you this particular course. The course will be spanning 350 hours. What my experience, our experience has taught us that 350 to 360 hours should be there in 5 months duration to successfully clear the FMG exam. Friends, Cerebellum is for the students by the teachers. So what we are doing is we have actually made a genuine attempt to give you a substitute online for the existing offline classes. How we are going to achieve it successfully? We have been doing it with several other courses also. Friends, there will be live interactive sessions which will be followed by doubt clearing at the end and in the mid of the session itself. You will be taught by the most experienced faculty. Under their mentorship, success will definitely embrace you. Friends, we at Cerebellum Academy as teachers have realized that 4 important pillars to clear FMG exam, we are trying to incorporate them in this particular course. These are number 1, discipline. You have to stay disciplined for next 5 months. Let us study together. Let us stick to the schedule. Let us believe in Cerebellum Academy. Believe to rakho. Believe in yourself also. Number 2 is pace. Many times students complain that I am going a bit slow, I am going a bit fast, this subject is getting missed. That is not. This structured program will help you maintain a good pace throughout the 5 months period. Number 3, guidance. Friends, it will matter a lot because all of you are giving 100% from your own side, but let us guide you so that your energy and efforts get channelized and you are able to move at a regular fast pace and you are able to prepare comprehensively for the upcoming examination. Number 4, motivation. We will make sure your shoulders never droop, your body language always stay best. I'll make sure, we will make sure when you enter the examination hall, you enter with your head held high with a high degree of confidence that I have prepared well for this exam. And when you come out of the examination hall in a similar frame of mind with your head held high and I have given more than 100% to this exam. Friends, those who are already studying in our live sessions, they will tell you that how much they are loving and benefiting from this real time classroom like atmosphere. So come be a part of this. It is quite a structured program. Now, structured program is key to success in FMG examination. Friends, we have made sure that there is a predefined schedule of classes so that you can mark your dates in the calendar. This will help you stay on track, help you stay on course, and you will be able to continuously focus on your studies. Course will be completed in first 3 months. we will be sharing the schedule with you, and we will make sure remaining 2 months we are not going to let you off. There will be continuous repeated revision sessions along with real time assessment for each one of you. Remember the motto of Cerebellum: your course completion is our responsibility, and we take our responsibility very seriously, but we will expect your 100% commitment and dedication also. Friends, while you are preparing for any given exam, be it FMG or otherwise, you need to assess yourself during the preparation phase itself. So in this particular FMG Mission 200 Plus course, we are making sure that you are getting real time assessment for each one of you throughout the course. So there will be subject wise test followed by discussion that will help you assess yourself. Also, there will be grand test where you will not just be able to assess yourself, but you can compare yourself with your peers and other colleagues. You will also be able to identify your weaknesses, work hard on them, and try to convert those weaknesses into success. We are also making sure that all these examinations discussions will mainly focus on PYQs, previous year questions, which are going to help you prepare comprehensively for the upcoming examination. During this course, we are going to provide you with 360-degree support from Cerebellum Academy. You will get full access, complete access to all the features of Premium Pack. This will include recorded videos of all the 19 subjects. They will be available to you in both English as well as Hindi language. Similarly, all the rapid revision videos of all the 19 subjects available to you again in English as well as Hindi language. You will also have unlimited access to QBank as well as in-app notes, and also to maintain a constant connect between the teacher and the student. What Cerebellum Academy is offering, that you can join us on our Telegram channel Cerebellum Community. Friends, this will help us stay in touch on a regular basis about the lectures, about the videos, about the upcoming exam, about any other thing. We will keep on sharing in the group on a regular basis, as we have been doing with the existing subscribers of different courses of Cerebellum Academy. Even if you miss a given particular live session due to any reason, you were going to some duty, you had some other prior engagement, and you are not able to attend a particular live session, nothing to worry. The video will be uploaded in the app after the live session so that you can watch it at your own comfort and convenience whenever you get time. So friends, what are you waiting for? Rather, success is waiting for you. We are just asking for a one-time investment, rupees 15k, so that you can access all the features of this Mission 200 Plus course for FMG students, specially curated for December FMG 2023 exam, along with all the features of the Premium Pack also included within this course. My dear friends, you are having mobiles in your hand. This is the time to mark the date on the calendar. The course is starting from 10th August onwards, and pre-booking is already open. So friends, book your slot. Go to the website www.cerebellumacademy.com and enroll yourself today. Also, you should download the Cerebellum app, separately available for iOS and Android phones. Friends, this is an opportunity which is not to be missed. Remember one thing: whenever teacher and student come together, they create magic. So let us create magic. Then we will celebrate your success after the results of FMG December 2023 are announced. Stay on course, stay healthy, best wishes.